Ever wondered how AI models like GPT-4 unlock complex tasks without just memorizing facts? It's not magic, it's reasoning. And at the heart of this breakthrough is something called prompt optimization. Let's dive into how researchers are teaching AI to think, not just respond. Imagine teaching a student to solve a puzzle. Vague instructions. They'll struggle, but step-by-step guidance. Suddenly, they're cracking the code. That's exactly what scientists are doing with large language models. They're testing how well these systems reason, then fine-tuning the questions, ACA prompts, they're given to make them smarter. Take the Causal Judgment dataset, which asks questions like, did Joe intentionally pay more for his smoothie? The model must dissect the story, spot key details, and determine if the outcome was deliberate. It's like a detective game, but for AI. Then there's geometric shapes, where the model analyzes SVG code, a type of digital drawing to identify shapes. Is that a hexagon or a pentagon? The AI isn't guessing, it's analyzing angles, sides, and patterns. But even the best models stumble. That's where prompt optimization steps in. Think of it as a feedback loop. Researchers test different prompts, see what works, and tweak them. But traditional methods, they're like a teacher who only points out mistakes. They ignore the good answers, which could hold secrets to what's working. Enter BReAD, our star of the show. This framework does two things at once. It corrects errors, like a teacher grading a test, and rewards what's working, like praising a student for a correct answer. It's like having a mentor who says, great job on this part, but let's fix that mistake. By balancing both, BReAD helps models learn faster and more accurately. Here's the kicker, BReAD isn't one size fits all. It's designed to adapt. Imagine optimizing a prompt for GPT-3.5 Turbo, but wanting to use it on GPT-4o. Without the right tools, the prompt might fail, like trying to use a 1950s recipe in a smart oven. That's where Continual Prompt Optimization, CPO, steps in. It's like a bridge between AI versions, ensuring the core of your instruction stays intact, even as the model evolves. The payoff? In tests, BReAD and CPO boosted accuracy by 4.9% to 21.5% across tasks like causal reasoning and biomedical analysis. They also made the process more efficient, using fewer resources and avoiding the random ups and downs of older methods. Why does this matter? Think of it this way, AI isn't just getting smarter, it's getting more reliable. Whether you're a researcher, developer, or curious learner, these tools are making it easier to harness AI's power without getting lost in the weeds. So next time you interact with an AI, remember, the key to unlocking its potential is just the model itself, it's how we teach it. With frameworks like BReAD and CPO, the future of AI communication just got a whole lot brighter. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into how AI learns, hit subscribe. And drop a comment, what's one task you'd love to see AI master? Let's keep the conversation going.